Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, today we are going to review a couple of our expert advisors which are trading on gold. We have just created a couple of videos, and now I'm creating another video. This is about CGX Gold, and this is also one of the expert advisors that uses stop loss as well as take profit. However, the entry and exit criteria for all these expert advisors are different, but all of them are using stop loss and take profit. So at least in worst condition, you will not lose more than the stop loss. Okay, so we started with 10K on 15th of January, and today is 17th of May. That's almost 4 months we completed. And let's start from here, guys. We started with 10K with a lot size of 1. However, you can see some different kind of lot sizes that we were experimenting on different kind of other things while changing in some setting. But later on, we make it fixed to 1 lot size. Okay, so as you can see, there are very few trades. Okay, and if you see the precision, most of the trades closed on green. However, we have also lost many trades in between, right? But that is a part of game. So we should be accepting whatever the market gives us. We should not be expecting more than like what we are expecting, because we are nowhere, right? We have to accept whatever the market is giving to us. So we made a profit of 2550.56 in a span of 4 months by depositing 10K. And if you see the running trades, there is no running trade right now since it uses stop loss and take profit. And when the moment and the volume is high, and hence most of the time you will see that either it close your stop loss, or either it will reach your take profit. Okay, so this is what the result is about CGX Gold EA. If you have any query, please feel free to contact me on email and Telegram, and please do mention the name of expert advisor CGX, so I would be able to understand that about this expert advisor you are talking about, because we have uploaded a couple of other videos on other expert advisors as well. So it will be easier for me to understand that you are asking the question about this particular expert advisor. So that's pretty much it, guys. And please do join our Telegram channel, where I will be uploading the trading history of this expert advisor along with the other expert advisors, where you can just download it or you can just visualize, see it, because I can understand that while showing you the trading history. However, it is from one place, and there is no, it is not a screenshot or anything. It is pure trading history, but I will be uploading it on my Telegram channel as well, so you can just check it out. And if you have any query, feel free to contact me on email and Telegram, and please do mention CGX. And also, if you have any query about any other expert advisor videos that we have uploaded in our YouTube channel, there is a separate link for that, where you can just check it out, or you can explore our YouTube videos. And do mention about the name of the expert advisors or the link when you are asking any particular questions, so that it would be easier for me to answer you. So guys, thank you very much. Thanks for staying with me. And if you like the video, please share it across, and please comment and share and watch the video and enjoy. And do subscribe to our YouTube channel in case if you find any kind of benefit or would like to stay connected in future. And please do join our Telegram channel, where I will be uploading the trading history, so you can stay updated with all these things. So thank you very much, guys. Thanks for staying with me. And it is about CGX Gold EA, the review of 4 months. And that's pretty much it. Enjoy your weekend. Take care. Stay safe and stay happy with your family.